Hello, my name is Cassidy Akula. This is me on the right there. I am from Idaho Falls, Idaho. I was born and raised there, so I know the area pretty well. Currently, I am living in Rexburg and attending BYUI. This is my sixth semester. My major is sociology right now, although I am trying to apply for the social work program. I really hope I can get in. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with social work yet, so a few options I thought of was working for the OUR. They are a business or a company, a program that fights hard to rescue children from human trafficking, sex slaves, and things like that. So I feel like that would be a very rewarding job to do, although I feel like it would be very hard to get into the program. And although that is one of the dreams, I would love to rescue children from evil people. Another job that interests me is working with juveniles. I don't know why, I feel like I work with teenagers best. I have a lot of teenager friends that I work better with than with adults. Really any career that I feel like would make a difference in someone else's life is what I feel like I would pursue. This is a picture of a few of my family members. Right here to the top right, you have Justine. She's younger than me. I'm the oldest of six, by the way. And then right next to her in the green shirt is my brother Rhett. Next to him in the pink shirt is Katie. Underneath Katie is Bo, and then my dad is on the right. Here's a better picture of all of us. This is a little younger, but my mom is in the light blue shirt, and then above her is my brother Nathan. Nathan is currently serving a mission in Washington, so it really brings me back to my mission. I served in Ohio, Cincinnati from June 2014 to December 2015, and it honestly was the best 18 months of my life. I wish every day that I could go back to Ohio and feel the spirit again and be with those people. My mission did cover parts of Indiana and Kentucky. This is Madisonville. This is part of Cincinnati. And here are a couple of people that made a huge difference in my mission, and I feel like I made a big difference in theirs. This is my husband, Naveen. He is from India. He's been here for quite a long time, so he doesn't have much of an accent, and he makes really good Indian food. We were married in Rexburg Temple of January 2018 last year. So this past Sunday was our 1-year anniversary. It was very exciting for us. And we love to go hiking and camping. We have 2 cats and 1 dog. This is Thorin. He's a cuddle bear. And then this is Ruby. And this is our dog Josie. A little fun thing about me is I'm a huge fan of The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings. I love it so much. I really do love it. I'm also a fan of Chris Hemsworth, or Thor. My dream vacation or place I would love to be is New Zealand, because that's where they filmed The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings, and it's just really beautiful there, and I just really wish I could go there and visit the place where my favorite films have been created. Enough about me, but I am very excited about the semester, and something I feel like I could contribute from this class is hopefully I will be able to know which direction of career I would like to take, since I'm not quite sure what I want to do with my life yet. But thank you all for watching this, and I hope you have a great semester.